The first leaked render suggests that Samsung is positioning the upcoming Galaxy S25 FE to match the premium aesthetics of the main Galaxy S25 lineup. Expected to debut later this year, the next Fan Edition model could see a notable upgrade in design. The leaked Galaxy S25 FE renders highlight thinner bezels, signaling a more refined look. At first glance, the device closely resembles both the Galaxy S23 FE and the Galaxy S24 FE, with the display size also aligning with that of the Galaxy S24 FE. These CAD-based images were shared by leaker OnLeaks via Samiguru, and the final design is likely to stay close to what's shown. The thinner bezels give the phone a more upscale appearance. In terms of size, the Galaxy S25 FE is expected to measure 161.4mm in height, 76.6mm in width, and 7.4mm in thickness, making it slightly more compact than the Galaxy S24 FE, which comes in at 162mm tall, 77.3mm wide, and 8mm thick. At 7.4mm, the Galaxy S25 FE is set to become the slimmest Fan Edition device to date. Previously, the Galaxy S21 FE held that title, but this new model is expected to take over. Despite the reduced dimensions, the S25 FE still offers a 6.7-inch screen. Samsung has minimized the bezels without shrinking the display size, resulting in a sleeker design and a thinner profile overall. On the design front, changes are apparent, but the camera system might remain consistent with the Galaxy S24 FE. It's expected to include a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, alongside a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. However, performance-wise, there may not be many surprises. Samsung is reportedly reusing the Exynos 2400 chipset from the Galaxy S24 series in the S25 FE. This would be the standard Exynos 2400 chip, unlike the Galaxy S24 FE, which features a slightly underclocked version known as the Exynos 2400E.